Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, welcome back to our online class after a long time, right? Yes. So, I hope you all have done your exams well. Yes? Very good. So, today we are going to learn a new thing in grammar. Okay? That is joining words. Okay? Joining words. It is also called as conjunctions. Okay, conjunctions. What do you mean by joining words? So we can join two or more words or sentences using these joining words. Okay, so we can join two or more words or sentences using these joining words. And these joining words are called conjunctions. Okay, these joining words are called conjunctions. So what are the conjunctions we can use to join words or sentences? So we can use and, but, because, so, or, etc. Okay, so these are the some joining words. Okay, so let's learn one by one. Okay, so read these two sentences. I like to sing. I like to dance. So same person says these two sentences. I like to sing. I like to dance. So we can join these two sentences. How? So we can write I like to sing and dance. Shall we write like that? Yes. I like to sing and dance. Instead of writing two sentences, we can write it as in one sentence. Right? Just adding this conjunction and. Okay? So I like to sing and dance. Have you all understood, children? Yes. So we use and to join the two sentences. So the sentences become I like to sing and dance. Yes, instead of writing two sentences, we can write it in one sentence, single sentence. Okay, by using the conjunction word and. Okay, joining word and. So I like to sing and dance. Okay, so what do you mean by conjunction? We can join words or group of words or sentences using joining words. These joining words are called conjunctions. Okay, words like and, but, because, so, or, etc. are called conjunctions or joining words. Okay, so where do we use the joining word and? So we use and to join parts of sentences, list of things or objects. So we can say my mother bought chocolates. One boy says, okay, for example, one boy says, my mother bought chocolates. My mother bought ice creams. My mother bought fruits. So instead of writing these three sentences, we can use the joining word and we can write all these things in single sentence. How? So my mother bought chocolates, comma, ice creams and fruits. Okay, so instead of telling these three sentences, we can make all the things in one sentence. Okay, my mother bought fruits and chocolates, or my mother bought chocolates and ice creams. Okay, so like that we can say. Okay, for example, so they have given one example. For example, Ali wants to buy a bat. Ali wants to buy a ball. So they have written two sentences. So same boy wants to buy bat and ball. Ali, right? So we can make these two sentences, okay, in single sentence using the joining word and. How? Ali wants to buy a bat and a ball. Okay, Ali wants to buy a bat and a ball. So like that we can write. Okay, and another example, we get bread, we get butter, we get jam, we get biscuits for our breakfast. So there are four sentences, right? So instead of writing four sentences, we can write all these things in single sentence. How? Just putting comma and using the joining word and. Okay, see, we get bread, comma, butter, comma, jam and biscuits for our breakfast. Okay, so we get bread, comma, butter, comma, jam and biscuits for our breakfast. Okay, so like that we can write. And the next joining word, but. So we use the joining word and to join two sentences, right? But here also we are going to join two sentences. But why do we use, where to use this joining word but? So when we want to when we want to show a difference between two or more things. Okay, when we want to show a difference between two things. Okay, so but, we use but when we want to show a difference between two things. So they have given one example. The boy is tall but the girl is short. So difference between the height, right? Height of these two persons, right? The boy is tall but the girl is short. Okay, to show the difference between the height of two persons. Okay, so that we used but, the joining word but. Have you all understood? Yes. So next one, activity. What is the activity? Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions and or but. Okay, so when we want to join the list of things, we use the joining word and, right? When we want to join the list of things, then we use the joining word and. When we want to show a difference between two things, then we use the joining word but. Okay, yes. So first sentence, I shall come to school. I shall come to school. Dash. Reena shall stay at home. I shall come to school. Dash. Reena shall stay at home. So which joining word has to be used here? And or but. So I shall come to school. Reena shall stay at home. But, right? I shall come to school, but Reena shall stay at home. Okay? Look at the second sentence. I returned from school, dash, went to play. So what you will do after returning home? What you will do? So you go to play, right? Right? Yes. So which joining word has to be used here, and or but? So I returned from school. Afterwards I went to play. So we can use and, right? I returned from school and went to play. Okay, I returned from school and went to play. So I returned from school and went to play. Okay. Third sentence. Jim tasted the jam, dash, he liked it. So Jim tasted the jam, dash, he liked it. So which joining word has to be used here? So he tasted the jam and he liked it, right? So Jim tasted the jam and he liked it. Okay. Look at the fourth sentence. Ravi did the sum carefully. Dash, his answer was wrong. So even though he did the sum carefully, his answer was wrong. So we have to differentiate these two things. Even though he did the sum carefully, the answer was wrong. So which word will come here? So Ravi did the sum carefully, but his answer was wrong. Okay, so but. Okay, Ravi did the sum carefully, but his answer was wrong. Okay, children. Fifth sentence. The king was rich, dash, was not happy. So even though he was rich, he was not happy. That means we have to show the difference between two things. Yes, even though he was rich, he was not happy. So which word will come here? So the king was rich, but he was not happy. Right? The king was rich, but was not happy. Okay. Sixth one. I walked very fast, dash, missed the train. I walked very fast, dash, missed the train. So even though I walked very fast, I missed the train. Yes. So which word will come here? I walked very fast but missed the train. Right? So I walked very fast but missed the train. Okay. Seventh sentence. Rohan dash Rohini are cousins. Rohan dash Rohini are cousins. So which word has to be used here? Rohan and Rohini, right? Rohan and Rohini are cousins. Okay, Rohan and Rohini are cousins. Okay. Next one, eighth word. My sister likes tea. Dash, I prefer coffee. My sister likes tea. Dash, I prefer coffee. So we have to show the difference, right? Sister likes tea, but he likes coffee. So which word has to be used here? My sister likes tea, but I prefer coffee. Okay, my sister likes tea, but I prefer coffee. Okay, children. Okay. So next joining word is because. Because. So where do we use this joining word because? So we use because when we want to give a reason or explain why the action was done. Okay, so we use this joining word because, okay, when we want to explain something, why it happened. Okay, when we want to explain something, why this was happened. Okay, so for that we will use this joining word because. Okay, so for example, Ajay bought a black shirt. Ajay bought a black shirt. He did not like the white shirt. So he did not like white shirt. So he bought black shirt. Okay. So he bought black shirt. Why? So the reason is he did not like white shirt. Okay. This is the reason. Okay. So we have to use here because. Because. Okay. Ajay bought black shirt because he did not like the white shirt. Okay. Like that we can write. See here. Ajay bought a black shirt because he did not like the white shirt. So, he did not like the white shirt is the reason. So, why he bought black shirt? Okay. So, that we are using the joining word because. Okay. So, where do we use the joining word because? So, to explain or to give reason. Okay. To give reason why the action was happened or done. Okay. Next joining word is so. So, S-O, so. So, where do we use this joining word so? So, we use so to show the effect of an action done. Okay. So, effect to show the effect of an action that has been already done. Okay, for example, he is very weak. He cannot walk. Okay, so why he cannot walk? He is very weak. So he is very weak. So he cannot walk. Okay, he is very weak. He cannot walk. So the next one, fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions so or because. Okay. Look at the first sentence. it was raining heavily dash I had to play indoors. It was raining heavily dash I had to play indoors. So which one will come here? So or because? So if it is I had to play indoors dash it was raining heavily means we can use because it is the reason. But the reason comes first. It was raining heavily. So I had to play indoors. Okay. So this is the effect. Right. So we are using the joining word so. Okay. The next sentence. See the next sentence. I had to play indoors. Dash. It was raining heavily. So just now I have told, right? I had to play indoors. Why? The reason is it was raining heavily. So this is the reason. So when we want to give reason, then we have to use the joining word because. Okay. So I had to play indoors because it was raining heavily. Okay. Third sentence. Nidhi is very selfish. Dash no one wants to play with her. Okay, Nidhi is very selfish. So why no one wants to play with her? The reason comes first. If the reason comes first, that means the effect comes first. Then we have to use the joining word so. Okay, so Nidhi is very selfish. So no one wants to play with her. Okay, if the effect comes next, then we have to use so. Okay, if the reason comes here, then we have to use because. Okay, look at the fourth sentence. No one wants to play with Nidhi. Dash, she is very selfish. So this is the reason. Why no one wants to play with Nidhi? Because she is very selfish. So no one wants to play with Nidhi because she is very selfish. Okay. Next one. You won the prize. Dash, you worked hard. You won the prize. Dash, you worked hard. You won the prize. You worked hard. So you worked hard is the reason for winning the prize. Right? So you won the prize because you worked hard. Okay, so we want to show the reason. Yes, how do you won the prize? Okay, so if we want to show a reason or explain something why it was happened, then we have to use the conjunction because. Okay. And look at the sixth sentence. You worked hard. Dash, you won the prize. You worked very hard. So, you won the prize. Right? So, you worked hard. So, you won the prize. Okay. Seventh sentence. He did not work. He did not work. Dash, he failed in the exam. So this is the effect, right? Effect of without doing any work. Yes. What is the effect? He failed in the exam. Right? Effect of not doing any work. Right? So what we have to use here? So. Right? He did not work. So he failed in the exam. Okay. Eighth sentence. She cannot walk. Dash. She is very weak. So this is the reason. This is the reason. So we have to write because. She cannot walk because she is very weak. Okay, because she is very weak. And this is the previous sentence. This is the effect. Effect of not doing any work. So we have to use the joining word so. Okay. So try to finish these sentences on your own, children. Okay. And I will share the correct answer in the group. You can check it. Okay, children. So study well. Thank you.